This is a 390 horse 427 1967 Corvette. This is probably the one you want to have more than the other 427s because of drivability issues, maybe. Because I think I had one in '67 had the 3 deuces, but you know you gotta balance out those carbs. There was another one that was rated for 430 horse, really 530 horse, and you know that's actually an ultra rare version. You know, you always hear about it all the time. Oh, the LA Corvette and all this. You know, you start talking when you drive a car on the street. This thing's got loads of power. That's really what you want. You're actually where you're using the power is down low. It's torque. 4-speed, and that's all you need with this torque monster. Yeah. Should have never got rid of these style, man. This style is way better than, you know, I don't think they improved the style in '68. 63 to '67 was where it was at, man. Love these.